What is the maximum transmission efficiency of an AM signal? A 33.33, B 60.25, C 38.75, D 50.25. The correct answer is 33.33. Calculate the power in a DSB-SC signal if the modulation is 60 and power of carrier wave is 600 watts. A 120 watts, B 108 watts, C 111 watts, D 102 watts. The correct answer is 108 watts. Which of the following is an example of continuous wave analog modulation? A PCM, B DPCM, C AM, D ADM. The correct answer is AM. TRF receivers are used for A. Detection of modulating signal, B. Removal of unwanted signal, C. Mixing modulating signal with unwanted signal, D. Both detection of modulating signal and removal of unwanted signal. The correct answer is both detection of modulating signal and removal of unwanted signal. What is the advantage of using AVSB transmission? A. Higher bandwidth than SSB. B. Less power required as compared to DSB-SC. C. Lower bandwidth than SSB. D. Both higher bandwidth than SSB and less power required as compared to DSB-SC. The correct answer is both higher bandwidth than SSB and less power required as compared to DSB-SC. In automatic gain control of the AM receiver, A. Gain of the receiver is adjusted. B. Gain adjustment depends upon the strength of received signal. C. Is an open-loop system. D. Gain is received only by stronger signals. The correct answer is gain of the receiver is adjusted. What is the value of modulation index M for overmodulation? A. M1, B. M1, C. M1, D. M0. The correct answer is M1. Generation of SSB-SC signal is done by A. Phase discrimination method and frequency discrimination method, B. Phase discrimination method and square law modulator, C. Square law modulator and frequency discrimination method, D. Balanced modulator and square law modulator. The correct answer is phase discrimination method and frequency discrimination method. If a receiver has a poor capacity of blocking adjacent channel interference, then the receiver has A. Poor selectivity, B. Poor signal-to-noise ratio, C. Poor sensitivity, D. Poor fidelity. The correct answer is poor selectivity. One of the advantages of using analog communication over digital communication is that in analog communication less transmission bandwidth is required. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true.